If you're playing Adopt Me and want to play together with friends or take care of pets and babies as a team, here's how to create a family. Step 1. Open the Family menu. Start by clicking the Menu button on the right side of the screen. Tap on the icon labeled Family, then click Create Family. This will create a new family that you control, and now you can invite others to join. Step 2. Invite other players. To invite someone, walk up to them in the game, click on their character, and then select Invite to Family. They will receive a pop-up to accept or decline your request. If they accept, they become part of your family group. Step 3. Teleport and interact. Once someone is in your family, you can teleport to them, see their age and location, and play together as a group. You can even set a family name by clicking the Edit option inside the Family menu. Type in your chosen name and save. This makes it easier to roleplay or manage your pets and babies as a team. And that's how to create and manage a family in Adopt Me.